Which biogeochemical cycle is most significantly impacted by deforestation in rainforests? Carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur.
Carbon. Explanation: deforestation in rainforests drastically reduces the capacity of the area to absorb carbon dioxide, CO2, through photosynthesis. Trees act as a significant carbon sink, storing large amounts of carbon in their biomass. When trees are removed, this stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, primarily through burning and decomposition. Deforestation also reduces the rate of CO2 uptake from the atmosphere. This leads to increased atmospheric CO2 levels, contributing to climate change. Rainforests are particularly important in the global carbon cycle due to their high biomass and photosynthetic activity. Nitrogen. Deforestation affects the nitrogen cycle, but not to the same degree as the carbon cycle. While it can impact nitrogen fixation, volatilization, and nutrient cycling, the primary impact is indirect through effects on soil processes and water runoff. The direct release and loss of carbon is more significant. Phosphorus. The phosphorus cycle is primarily driven by the weathering of rocks and the release of phosphorus into the soil. Deforestation can alter the phosphorus cycle by increasing erosion and affecting nutrient runoff, but the direct impact on the release or uptake of phosphorus is less pronounced than the impact on the carbon cycle. Sulfur. Deforestation impacts the sulfur cycle by affecting the decomposition of organic matter, which can release sulfur. However, the impact on the sulfur cycle is not as significant as the effect on the carbon cycle because rainforests don't have sulfur stored as a major element in its biological structure.